Well, today we decided it's such a beautiful day we couldn't sit in the house, so we decided to take a walk up into the hills. It's -10 with the wind chill. It's about -14, but feels quite nice. And we're going to go up to a cabin in the hills where we shall make some food, a particular Canadian favourite of ours, and we'll show you a little bit more of that as we do it. So, being a bit of an old dodderer on the ice, I use these crampons, although they're on a lower scale than crampons, but they just slip on there, and they've got spiky bits on the bottom, so they will hopefully stick in the ice, stop me falling over. People out in the middle of the lake. So now, probably the first time in my life, I'm now walking on ice. Pure, clean ice, perfect for skating. It's nice and shiny, there's no snow laying on top of it. So people come out on their skates, people go fishing, people take these sort of sledge things on here. You can see a family in the distance that's actually, I think, also preparing to do some fishing. There's actually a couple out on the middle of the lake pushing a pram. How amazing. So we decided to cross the lake, and we'll have our lunch here. Somebody has already had a fire on the ice, and they've made a nice little sitting place there with some greenery put down to insulate against the cold. So what we're doing today is we're making some fried bread, Canadian style. Basically it's a recipe that Uni got from her relatives in Canada some years ago. And it's really just a bread dough, which we made at home before we set off. Put it in a plastic bag, and now she's formed it into a small pizza shape. Put some butter in the frying pan, and we're going to fry it. We're going to have some homemade apple jelly. Look at that. Beautiful. Very quickly done. Takes a few minutes in the pan, and you've got yourself a lovely steaming hot piece of bread. So what better way to cook your lunch? Sat on the ice. Obviously got some insulation there, and lunch is cooking nicely away in the frying pan. What could be better than that? So there we go. First one's done. There we go, apple jelly on it. And that's all ready for me to eat. Not bad at all. That's a typical little Norwegian cabin tucked away in the trees. Beautiful place to come in the winter and the summer. Just amazing, every corner that you turn it gets even more beautiful. As you can see here, the sun coming through those trees and lighting up the snow and frost in the branches. Just amazing. Well, that's it. The tour virtually over for the day, and fantastic time we've had in this weather. Hard to imagine now, but this area here, come springtime, we'll be starting to see the first shoots of the cherry orchard, as this is a big fruit production area. So come summer, this will be absolutely full of beautiful Morello cherries.